Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Today, we are going to discuss the face sheet of Unit 8 Snakes in India. So, children, get ready with your textbook. Page number 121. There is a poem about a snake, garden snake. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insect for its food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch his pass and tell myself there is no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. So, children, for a few of us, snakes are fascinating creatures, but for the rest, they are slithering, crawling, dangerous you beings. Some of us are afraid of snakes as we don't know much about them and have grown up stories that describe that as menacing. You will be surprised to know that the world of snakes is very interesting one. Let us have a look a bit deeper into this world. Snakes have evolved even before the origin of mammals, and reptiles were one of the first predators the mammals have faced. As per the scientists and fossil records, snakes have been slithering on the earth for more than 100 million years. These creatures have evolved from lizards, and the remains of the hind limbs can be seen in some snakes such as pythons. Snakes can be described as elongated, legless reptiles of the order Serpentes. Snakes are different from similar looking reptiles such as legless lizards because they have no eyelids or external ears. Yes, children, you can never notice a snake's legs or external ears or the eyelids. This is the reason that when they look, they will be staring at the objects. There are 18 snake families, all of which have unique traits. Snakes are present in the most of the parts of the world except few places like Antarctica, New Zealand, Ireland, etc. About 30,000 species of snakes are found, but out of this, only 327 are venomous. Beside the scientific classification, snakes have been differentiated into two groups, venomous and non-venomous. Venomous means poisonous and non-poisonous. So, the king cobra, spectacle cobra, Russell vipers, common krait, sea snakes are poisonous snakes or venomous snakes. Rat snake, grass snake, checkered keel, common wolf, bow snake are non-poisonous or non-venomous snakes. Of all the snakes in India, only 15 to 17% are venomous, including the sea snakes. But children, have you ever think that how do these snakes move when they are legless? Snakes do not have limbs like other animals. Instead, they move using their flexible body, which consists of a long spine with up to 400 ribs attached. Muscles connected to the ribs help snakes crawl, climb, and swim, and wide belly scales help them to grip surfaces. What do snakes eat? This is the question that comes to the mind of everyone. All snakes are carnivorous. Their diet depends on the species. Some eat warm-blooded prey like rodents, rabbits, birds, while others eat insects like amphibian frogs or toads. Egg, other reptiles, fish, earthworm or slug snakes swallow their food whole. Now, still children, snakes are sometimes dangerous, but most of them are very useful to us. Now, snakes are nature's pest control. They have an integral role in keeping the number of introduced rats and mice at bay. These rodents carry disease and destroy crops. Cane toads have a devastating effect on a natural ecosystem, and it is vital we keep the snakes around. Venom used in medicine. Certain snake venom has been shown to have anti-tumor properties. Others have antibacterial and pain-relieving properties. Snake skin is also used in ointments and creams to reduce pains and stiffness. Python leather is used to make shoes and boots and belts. So children, you have seen that how the snakes are useful to the human beings. Now it's time for you to take down your homework. Write down your homework in your classwork. Where do you normally find snakes? Name the snake that you know. In what ways are snakes useful? Thank you.